Hey guys, how's it going? Now, look at this paint job right here. Okay, this is off an import. Okay, this is what I tell people all the time when they call me up and they have delaminated paint, because you can tell it's delaminated, okay? But this, do a close-up. This right here, can you see the spider webs? Here? Let the sun hit. Anyways, this is oxidized clear, and this is the actual color base coat, and it's not oxidized. You know what that means? It means that this pigment has hardener and gloss in it already. So if you could remove this clear, you could polish this out. But let me show you what I mean about blending. I want to blend this clear coat back to a shine, so it's closer to this, and bring this to a shine that's closer to that. Don't worry about the edges. Everyone always gets caught up with the edges, but if you watch some of my videos, I have a video right here. It'll be instructional. You guys can watch how to feather back the edges. But I want to show you. So first, I'm going to work on the clear. So this is the oxidized clear. Can you see that? Okay. And as I do this, do a close-up as I do this. So this product is a cleaner, not a wax. So I'm going to put this on, and I'm not putting this on like wax. No circles. This is back and forth. You clean the same spot until it clears up. Okay. Remember, it's not a cutter, it's a cleaner. It's going to remove the contamination embedded. It just cleans. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Okay? So if your clear coat's hazy, it's dirty, don't wax it. You want to use this instead. Okay? Look how beautiful that's coming out. Okay? No color came off. Okay? Make sure you can do a close-up so they can see how nice it came out. Now I want to point out something. There's no wax in this product. So this one, the yellow bottle, is a cleaner. That's what it's supposed to do. Now, I'm going to do a spot over here on the color base coat. Okay. Now, when I clean this spot, you didn't see no color coming off. But you're going to see color coming off over here. But it's okay. We're not removing all the color. We're just cleaning some of the oxidation. But this one's very lightly oxidized. So I'm going to do it right on the edge. Okay. Like I said, I don't worry about the edge. I'm just, because that edge is going to come off no matter what. So at the end of this video, there'll be a link to another video you guys can watch and you understand what I'm saying. Because it's about that. It's about feathering back the edges. So I'm just going back and forth. I'm just cleaning it. Okay. You see the color? Okay, that's the oxidized stuff coming off. Okay. I'm just doing these on the fly, but do you see how this color and this color are closer? See that? And again, no wax. Now I'm going to put a wax on here, but it's a special kind of wax. This is a two-step process. Clean it, remove the oxidation so it'll stop peeling, okay? And then you use the sealer wax. This is really good stuff, especially on a delaminated paint job like what we got here, okay? This stuff is really good. It's not regular wax, okay? This is what you want to use when you're restoring a paint job. When you put it on the first time, it just seems like the paint drinks it up, okay? You do this, and you should get about a year's worth before you have to use it again. And you really don't ever have to use the cleaner again. You just use a sealer wax, you know. And this is a destroyed paint job, guys. Come on. Okay, it's delaminated, but if you can't paint it right away, this is a good way to make it look better until you can get it repainted. But sometimes people just they love the way it comes out. Look at that. Do a close-up. I mean, you can see that little line right there, but you can feather it back even more. And we didn't even feather it back. But look at the color. This is the base coat, and this is the clear coat. Take a step back until it disappears. I mean, until it looks all the same. You got that? All right, good. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. Check us out. Got questions? Call us. It's in the about section. You got questions, man? I'm encouraging you guys. Call us up. I mean, you don't have to drive around with an ugly paint job like that. Later, guys.